Alright guys, we are back with another video, and today we are back with another video, and today we're back with another video, and today we're back with another video, and I completely forgot that I was recording. Today we're back with some more cookie clickers. Back with more cookies. I love cookies. Okay, that sounds weird. I don't know why. But we got only 3 days to spend. But we should might as well just be oh frick. I don't have anybody. You get it? You get my feeling? Okay, yeah, grandma's ain't doing cramps, so I'm gonna get yeah, I think the shipment one would be the best. And then the wizard tower. And we'll get the grandma one just in case, because we freaking need it. I mean, don't we? We freaking need it. Oh wait, I forgot about the freaking clicking sounds. My bad. I feel so bad. Yeah, I feel so bad because of the cookie clicking. I feel so bad about 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 the cookie clicking. What's this? What is this? Bingo center / research facility. Grandma's operated science lab and leisure club. Grandmas are 4 times as efficient. Yeah, we're definitely gonna get that, but that's like 1 quadrillion. And you think I have that 1 quadrillion? No, I heard stuff about the Grandma Apocalypse. Don't kid me not, because I have heard things about the Grandma Apocalypse before. If you guys didn't know. And for that, we're gonna buy some grandmas because we really need it. Hey, look, another grandma power up. I'm gonna get that piece of crap, because that piece of crap's gonna count. That piece of crap's gonna count. That piece of crap is going to count, and you will know how it's going to count. We need to get 10 temples. You already know how it is with 10 temples. You get a freaking power up for 10 temples. And it's the Shady Sect. Okay? I'm just thinking in my mind, okay, that's nice to know. I already know what this is. This is like a freaking time machine. Okay, I already spoiled it, but you guys should already know. In case if you're ever binge watching this. Oh, frick. No! Bro, why'd you close out on me? Now it's going to restart! Yeah, I just totally screwed that up. Aw, crap! I totally forgot about the batteries. Oh yeah, there are more batteries right here. Okay, good. It saved everything. Chelsea, are you seeing this right now? Grandmas are 4 times as efficient. Oh crap! Now I have to set the auto clicker back on. Are you freaking kidding me? Okay, well let me do that real quick. Okay, let me do that real quick. Alright, we have turned on the auto clicker now. As you can see, it's good at running. There has to be a faster way to click this piece of crap. Oh, look, 6 million cookie clicks. I clicked the cookie 6 million times. How wonderful. It's totally not like Geico is freaking behind this piece of crap. Yeah, Geico, I know you're there. That's why I said that. Okay, we're definitely gonna save it for Sun Festival. Temples are twice as efficient. So that means if temples are twice as efficient, you see how 50 temples are making 9 million? Well, now the temple should be making 18 million. And you see how it's making 100,000? Well, now we should make about, I don't know. I don't know how much 100,000 plus 2 is. Wait, wouldn't that be 200,000? Heck, I don't know. Okay, we'll just say that temples are going to produce about 200,000. If that's the case. This music better not be playing in the background. It'll get me copyrighted. Guys, there's a bunch of Mexican songs playing on the radio. Hey Chelsea, do you know how grandmas are now being named? Look, you see this grandma's name? How it's Ivy? Hold on a second, let me show you something. Hold on, let me get there. Look, it's Mrs. Poopy Butthole. Do you see it? Why do they name her Miss Poopy's Butthole? That's immature. That is so immature. Oh crap, my banks aren't sorted. Those crappy banks. Ooh, we're on Prestige level 2. You need about a few more Prestige levels. Let me see in the options. Oh, so you can shorten out the numbers so it doesn't say like a million, it just shows the actual number. Oh, that's pretty cool. You've been on this run for 18 days. Chelsea, do you remember that Sam's Bakery on Cookie Clicker? That Sam's Bakery? Do you know that that's been running for a year? Like, I actually got on there and I saw an achievement that said, something like, frick, I forgot, but it was like an achievement for managing one Cookie Clicker game for like a whole year. Yeah, they actually give you an achievement for staying here for 1 year. So yeah, that's something to know. Chelsea, we need to play Cookie Clicker together. Like, you know how like when we would do the Ascension thingy, or like how we would like play it together. We need to do that again, right? Like you can go in there, in like mom and dad's room or something. You can play Cookie Clicker on there. We can call. We can play together. We can do that. Wait, do you want to do that? Oh my gosh. She said maybe. That means she probably will. Like I can start a new progress and we can do it together. We can get a lot of cookies together. You know? Unless if you really don't want to have fun, which is something kind of weird. Okay, we have 200 million now, so that's cool, guys. Look. We have 200 mil. And we can get 10 factories. Yay, 10 factories. 10 factories is always great, right? Yeah, 10 factories is always great. Okay, guys, I'll catch you guys in a few, so when I actually have, like, more cookies to spend, because this is, like, what? This is, like, freaking boring, so, yeah, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Okay, so I guess apparently this is the only one I have to get. This is the only power-up. Are you kidding me? After all these hours, I have no more power-ups. This is just great. I don't know what I want to do with this. Hey, Geico, you think you have any power-ups I can spend? No, of course I it down because Geico does not know anything. So that's okay. That's okay. Oh crap! I forgot to turn on my auto clicker. Oh crap! That's so. It's so inefficient. Isn't that just a poopy butthole? I still can't believe they named their grandma that. How terrible. Yankee Doodle went to town. There's a golden cookie. I click it and I get a Lucky Charm cookies. Right now that was a billion. But no, I'm just an idiot. So is Geico. Geico is an idiot. Geico. Save money. Okay, what are you guys watching? This is insane. This is not what we want here. We just need a buck. Come on, we gotta get something for 100. What's something we can get for 100? You need to tell me this. What can we get for 100? I don't know. You tell me what we get for 100. If we get something good, then you get to have most of the cookies. I do get to have most of the cookies, don't I? Because I'm the best person on earth. I wouldn't say that. Okay, we got the bingo center / research facility thingy McBob. I don't know what this is. We're also on prestige level 2, which is interesting. I think I've already said that. Yeah, you have already said that. Now get to the point. Or else I'm gonna click off this video and I'm just gonna say this video is freaking clickbait. This is not Cookie Clicker Page 7. This is just Brandon roaming around, saying random crap, getting cookies, buying items, doing the next part, doing the same thing, and then bam, you beat the game. This is just clickbait. Ah! Okay, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next episode. Peace. Wait, hold on a second. We gotta buy about 90 factories. That seems fair enough. You buy 90 factories. That's okay. It's not like you just totally ruined it. We'll catch you guys in the next episode. This is weird.